Well, hello, folks. It's been a while. You may have heard that I had a little flu bug, and I'm still kind of nursing that, but I felt I better get back in the game uh, before I forget how to do it. All right. Alexandria Cam, we're showing increasing clouds. This is high and mid-level clouds. We've got one deck. Stations reporting about 10, 11,000 feet above the surface. There's a higher deck. Many times it's not visible. I think we got some of that at about 20, 25,000 feet. So clouds increasing. This is out ahead of our next weather system that will be coming in. Kind of a minor system, though. Gina, likewise, we're seeing that high and mid-level cloudiness over in that direction. Weather headlines in, this is what I'll be talking about and focusing on. First of all, rain will end this week, coming in about Friday night. So kind of a little quick hitter of rain coming through the area there. But winter will return. So winter is not through with us here in Cenla just yet. And why should it be? This is just the middle of January. This is the middle of our real winter here in this climate. Any snow or ice? That's always the question when we talk about winter. And well, the short answer is yep, probably so in some places. Looking at the radar, nothing showing up here locally, but we can go off to the southwest and put this in motion here for about an hour. And you can see this is the next rain event, if you want to call it that. There's not going to be much to it. I think it'll be confined to our southern parishes, if there, and even there it would be pretty light. And that would occur sometime late tonight into Wednesday time frame. Very little in the way of rain there, though. We can see that moisture increasing, see that tap of high and mid-level moisture kicking up out of the southwest, coming overhead as it does this time of year, and some cool air still in the plains, and the Arctic is kind of gearing up to shoot something down in several days as well. Futurecast, this is back to work and school for folks. 7 o'clock Wednesday morning, we got some clouds. Can't rule out a stray sprinkle or a stray shower there, but once we come home, I think that will be suppressed to the south of us, if anywhere. And then once we go into Thursday morning, no issues on the morning commute there. And likewise on Thursday, no issues with the weather pattern for any travel in the local area. So, getting to the 7 day pretty quickly. We've got 10% there for your Wednesday, 39, 55. So some chilly mornings, 33 Thursday, a light freeze in some areas, 36 Friday. But we get some pretty decent afternoons, 61 Thursday, 64 on Friday. Rain likely again Friday and Friday night. And then finally, once we get into the weekend, we see a kind of a mild day Saturday. I'm going to put a front in. That will limit rain chances to the morning hours on Saturday. But the big front, it arrives on Sunday. That's the one that we have some true Arctic air coming through the area. And you see a big temperature drop there, and an even more sizable, more cold weather coming in on Monday and Tuesday. You can see those temperatures 24, 23 for lows, highs in the 30s if we're lucky there in some locations. And I was forced to put some percentages in right now. I'm going low. I don't want to emphasize this too much, but I have to be honest with you. The basic pattern is there. The cold air will be entrenched. We will see energy aloft to the west, forcing coming in from west to east. And so I've got to at least put some low end pops in, and yep, I'm going to put the mix in for that time period, just kind of give you a warning. We have to kind of be careful about the message that we send with this kind of stuff this early, because that's the Monday, Tuesday time frame. PM Monday, I think anything Monday morning wouldn't have affected commute or anything like that. It'd be on up in the day, even Monday night before we might see a chance of a little frozen stuff there out of that deal. And then that chance would continue to be cold enough on Tuesday as the forcing and moisture will continue to be here, lifting the atmosphere and all that good stuff that combines for a little bit of winter activity. So again, right now we're going to treat it kind of with the gloves off and just let you know that there is a little chance of something there on the Monday, Tuesday time frame, and probably maybe Tuesday night time frame there. All right, that's it for me. I made it through without cracking up or coughing, so that's a victory for me. And thanks for being with me. And by the way, thank all you folks for your prayers and well wishes and concerns and messages.